Notice there's spacing around inside a cell. So if I want to change the cell margin, I just go in here and adjust the numbers to whatever the assignment had asked and push OK. And now that cell margin has been increased. I could also, if I select my table, go into cell margins. This allowing spacing between cells. This will separate all of my cells. See how they all share a border? But if I allow spacing, it's going to literally put spacing in between every cell. So if I click OK, now each cell is separated by its own. Sorting allows me to select my table and notice these names, John, Sarah, and Will, they already are in alphabetical order. So if I go to sort and maybe I want to change it to descending, which is Z through A, click OK, and now Will, Sarah, and John are reversed. It did not sort the first row because I have classified it as a header row. If that was unchecked and I sorted, the name would be sorted with these groups. But because I had that clicked, it's not going to include that in my sort. Repeat header row would be if I have enough text that I need to go to a second page. So if I hit insert below, if I keep going, okay, so see now that I have 2 pages. If I selected my header row, if I go select row and I click repeat header row, now every time I go to a new page, that header row is going to be repeated. Okay. This last one, if I convert table to text, let's say I have a small little table like this, and I've got 1, 2, 3 things in our table, and I don't want them in a table anymore. I just want them on a list. I can select that, go to that convert to text and hit OK. And now it's just a plain old list. If I want to go the other way, let's say I've got a long list of numbers and I want to change them into a table. I select it, go back to my insert table option and choose convert text to table. Keeping all defaults the same, it will then convert it to a table. Okay, those things that I've gone over should be what you need to know for today's assignment. If you don't know how to do something, you're welcome to ask your neighbor. You can Google it or even ask here, tell me what you need to do, and it may or may not be able to help you. I'll see you in a couple days.